Pop displays made of cardboard. High competition in the retail industry forces brands to actively promote their products to attract the attention of customers. Bright advertising stands with goods are installed in stores in the center of the hall or next to the cash register. This approach has been showing high efficiency for many years. To create such POP displays made of cardboard, Foxam has developed special equipment. In the program, you can set the necessary dimensions and the equipment will make them die cut. After that, pop displays can be assembled as a simple constructor. As a result, we get very popular products with a low cost in a very profitable market. Links to all the mentioned machines and even more profitable business ideas, which are not on this channel, can be found on our T channel. Subscribe and be the first to learn about new ideas. The link is in the description. Module for production of concrete screw supports. We're talking about concrete screw supports for the installation of solar panels, fences, and foundations for gazebos and houses. The cost of such a support is several times lower than a metal pile with almost identical characteristics. Concrete supports are not subject to corrosion, they're easier to install, and are not squeezed out by frost heaving. You can sell supports through construction bases, the internet, agreements with construction crews, etc. The requirements for the organization of production are minimal. One person can fill 25 pillars in a matter of minutes. The module for the production of supports occupies only 1 square meter. The equipment consists of a concrete mixer and a compact module with formwork, which can cast 5 piles per day. Products can be produced in any length. Manufacturer of sawdust pallets. The production of pressed pallets from sawdust is a new promising direction. Transportation and logistics companies usually use wooden pallets for transportation and storage of goods. Sawdust pallets are stronger than wood ones, take up less space, and conveniently fold one into another. The production technology consists of pressing sawdust at high temperature with an addition of resins. Due to this manufacturing method, pallets have high moisture resistance and fire resistance. The cost of production starts from $30,000. Compact water cutter. Wazer is a compact water jet cutting machine for every workshop. It can cut through any material, including metal, stone, composites, plastic, rubber, and more. Unlike laser machines, it doesn't require ventilation. With the help of Wazer, you can cut figures from glass, ceramics, and other materials that can deform when cutting with a saw or laser. The options are limited only by your imagination. Knives, gears, glass figurines, and even ceramic tiles can be crafted. Owning such a machine, you can provide services in a variety of industries. The cost of the machine is about $10,000. Production of plastic boards. Plastic boards are made from a mixture of polymer with wood or mineral flour with the addition of dyes and stabilizers. A pattern and texture are applied to the boards, imitating wooden coating. Externally, it is not immediately possible to distinguish a polymer board from real wood. Polymer composite boards are more durable, are not subject to rot and deformation, and are suitable as building materials in humid conditions. Plastic boards are used to make the flooring of street terraces, fences, gazebos, and benches in the city. The organization of the production of polymer boards requires large production areas and special equipment. Tabletop vacuum forming machine. Formbox is a desktop vacuum device that, when used together with a 3D printer, allows you to create molds of your 3-dimensional models in a matter of seconds. These molds can then be used to replicate a 3D model from a variety of materials countless times, allowing for the quick creation of prototypes in minutes instead of hours or days. Formbox can also be used to create product packaging. The device can make phone cases, copy small parts in the automotive and furniture industry, and create shapes for curly chocolates, candles, or gypsum products. The options for using this simple machine right at home are vast. The cost is about $800. Auto key duplicating machine. It is easy and inexpensive to make duplicate house keys. However, it is more difficult if the car key is lost, especially if the key is equipped with a chip that interacts with an immobilizer or is a smart card. A vending machine for making keys solves this problem. It is enough to insert the key and wait for the machine to scan its parameters. The machine will produce an ordinary key on the spot. A key with a chip or a smart card is made within several days and sent to the owner at the specified address. The market size of this business is simply huge. Mini robot for cutting materials. Goath is the perfect solution for those who want to create at scale. It is an automated cutting machine with an unlimited working area. The innovative design of Goath's wheels allows the robot to be placed anywhere on the work surface, where it will help in the manufacture of various products by cutting, engraving, or milling according to specified specifications. Goth is capable of processing wood, plastic, copper, and sheet metal. The main target audience is small businesses and individual customers from the furniture and advertising industry. Cooperation will consist of the manufacture of necessary elements, parts of complex shapes, and processing of blanks made of wood or metals. The advertising business is interested in manufacturing samples of outdoor advertising, logos, signage, etc. The cost of the robot is about $33,000. Automatic knitting machines. Knitting as a business is becoming a thing of the past due to the limitations of manual labor. However, automatic knitting machines controlled by computers ensure high productivity, working quickly and with minimal human involvement. The operator loads the dimensions and contours of the product into the machine, sets the pattern, and receives finished products or parts that only need to be sewn together. This automation allows businesses to meet high demand efficiently and produce a variety of knitted items such as sweaters, scarves, and hats with consistent quality. Machines for silicone products. With machines for producing silicone products, items like silicone bracelets, phone cases, insoles, and more can be manufactured. The versatility depends on the die that is installed in the press machine. One of the most promising directions is the production of cases for top phone models. Interesting designs and sales through marketplaces and numerous outlets can drive this business. Only one person is needed to operate these machines. The cost of the equipment is about $10,000. Manicure robots. Robots are increasingly replacing human labor in various fields, and now they have reached the nail service industry. Manicure machines scan and create 3D models of nails and apply nail polish precisely without touching the cuticles. Robotic manicures also use 3D printers to print any drawing or photo on the nail. The client only needs to choose the desired color and pattern and watch as the printer applies layers of nail polish, turning fantasies into reality. Photo engraving. Engraving machines can apply inscriptions and images to various materials like wood, plastic, glass, and metal. Owning an engraving machine allows entry into different niches, such as the pet niche, where products like medallions for dog collars with engraved photos can be offered. Customers can send a photo of their pet through a website or social media, and the image can be applied to a blank made of plastic, wood, or metal, and the finished medallion is sent to the customer. On the back of such medallions, phone numbers can be engraved in case the pet gets lost. Production of glass fiber concrete products. Fiberglass is a durable yet flexible material used for producing architectural and facade decor. It is used to make structural elements of buildings, ventilation ducts, facade panels, fences, and small architectural forms. Fiberglass is made from a mixture of high-strength cement, quartz sand, and fiberglass, which acts as reinforcement and improves the material's technical characteristics. The mold is filled first with a concrete solution using a gun, then a layer of fiberglass is sprayed. The surface is leveled and compacted with a roller, and after drying, it is sanded manually. Mini thermoplastic machine. Another business option is using a mini thermoplastic machine to stamp various small parts. The machine melts plastic and feeds it into molds, resulting in finished products. Depending on the installed mold, it is possible to mass produce various items such as blocks, bushings, caps, and other parts essential to many industries. For example, in the video, you can see an example of a homemade machine by Andre. Production of gift boxes. The tradition of packing gifts and flowers has become firmly established. You can start a business producing gift boxes with minimal investment by buying cardboard, colored paper, tapes, and tools. Patterns for boxes of different shapes can be found on the internet or through master classes. The boxes are bought by flower shops, stationery shops, gift shops, and stores selling alcoholic beverages. When the flow of orders becomes stable, production can be automated by renting a space and buying machines to streamline processes. Knitting machines for socks and gloves. Socks and gloves are everyday goods with high demand. Despite the low cost of the product, the business of manufacturing socks and gloves can be highly profitable due to cheap raw materials, high production capacities of machine tools, and a broad sales market. When organizing production, a workshop space must be chosen, the product range determined, and suitable machines purchased. Sandblasting. Mobile sandblasting plants clean surfaces from rust, paint, carbon deposits, and various kinds of dirt using pressurized water supplies and abrasive materials. This equipment can be used to remove graffiti from walls or clean car bodies for painting. Customers can be found via the internet and services can be provided on-site. Bicycle charging for electric vehicles. Electric cars are becoming more popular, but the network of charging stations is still underdeveloped in many places. A business idea is to provide mobile charging stations for electric vehicles delivered by bicycles. For example, in Germany, the startup Charger is trying to solve this problem with bicycle chargers. The charging station is attached to the bike and delivered to the car, bypassing traffic jams. This business can be improved by adding a surface for cleaning the car with a mobile steam generator. Carpet washing machines. Organizing carpet washing in a garage is possible but requires improvements in water supply, heating, and sewage. For complete and fast carpet washing, a vacuum cleaner, a rotary washing machine, a high-pressure automatic machine, and a centrifuge for spinning carpets are needed. The largest investment will be the centrifuge, which provides good performance. The cost of a centrifuge on Chinese websites starts from several $1,000s. With such equipment, one person can wash up to 20 carpets per work shift. 3D printing services. The rise of 3D printing technology has opened up numerous business opportunities. By offering 3D printing services, you can cater to various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and education. Customers can bring their designs to life by creating prototypes, custom parts, and even artistic sculptures. Investing in a high-quality 3D printer and related software can allow you to produce intricate and precise models. This service is especially valuable for small businesses and startups that need prototypes but lack the resources for large-scale production. Thank you for joining me on this adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more entrepreneurial insights and business tips. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep building the life you've always imagined. See you soon.